Do you want to know how you can log in to your Dovenmuehle Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Dovenmuehle Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser and go to the Google search bar and then search for Dovenmuehle Mortgage login. Tap on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official site of Dovenmuehle. Now, click on Borrowers, which you can see on the top right hand side, and it will lead you to a login portal. This is the official login portal of Dovenmuehle. Go ahead and write down your username and password associated with your Dovenmuehle Mortgage account and then click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Dovenmuehle Mortgage account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this eye icon, and if you have forgotten your username, click this link and then you can retrieve back your username again. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click this link and recover your password again. You can create a Dovenmuehle Mortgage account for yourself by clicking register, which is over here or which is on the top right hand corner. I hope this video about how you can log into your Dovenmuehle Mortgage account was helpful for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you again and bye bye.